And this one is called Rocking It. We give a very brief background information. Most of the background is actually probably built into the student handout section on this one. The lesson plan part, it does have standards for high school, but this is the one that does not have standards for 6th grade listed, just because it's not a 6th grade standard. It's apparently a 4th grade standard. It's a 4th grade standard, so we're right here. But we didn't list those because, again, we were doing 6th in high school, and sorry, we were very narrow-minded. For this, each group gets a set of rocks, and we are the only group, I believe, the only actual team that has stuff to check out from the repository with Kathy Hill. This is one set you can check out. It comes with 10 sets of the rocks, a hand sample, and I think we're putting these in there, the ones that you have. Okay, so with this one, the lesson plan's really basic, so I'll have you guys switch to the student handout. Now this lesson is actually intended to be an introductory assignment. The purpose of this is to get their observation skills up, get them noticing that rocks are not all the same, actually get them to look at the individual features of the rocks, and the overall goal is for them to be able to separate the rocks into the various rock types. We have a column on there for rock name, less important. If they get it, great. I still tell them to do it, but I mean, I'm so not concerned with them being right. I'm more concerned with their thought process. Can you tell me why you thought it was this rock? What on the reference sheet, what from your background knowledge told you it was this? And that's what we're looking for with this assignment. You do have a reference sheet, and we put it with the student handouts, which yesterday's group kind of thought that was odd. We put it with the student handout because it's intended to be a student handout. It's a reference sheet. What I do is I make a class set of them, put them in the plastic sheet protectors, and pass them out and use them all day for all my classes. The front part of the reference sheet has a little verbiage for each of the various rock types. And what we have found with this in particular one, the grain size, and we didn't come up with this great idea until this week, so that's it's not in here. But what you could do for this is get sandpaper, because you can go to 4,000, 5,000 grit sandpaper and get sandpaper so they can fill the various grain sizes would be better than just this, because we all know if they have a picture, they look at the picture and they match it up directly. That's all they do. So that would be a great thing for this. This actual, because you happen to be in a geology lab, they have this one that you can kind of get the idea of what they should be like. That's only for sedimentary rocks. You might want to look at that if you get a chance. And then the back side has this chart, and this chart was developed from the adopted earth science books for the current high school district, that regular Princeton Hall one. That's what this was kind of adopted from. We obviously modified it so that it has the rocks that are specific to the Sierra Nevadas. So every rock sample that you were looking at today, they are all right here. We gathered them all last summer. They're from the Sierra Nevada. There should be a number on every rock. It's like white out and then written on there. If you have a rock that does not have a number, it probably broke off from another one. Look on this, there you go. And the very important key, if you've never looked at rocks before, a lot of times with your rock, look for a fresh, clean surface. Don't look at the side that has been weathered. Don't look at the side that's smooth and almost always looks kind of a little rusty, a little dirty. That's the side that's been exposed to all the weather and has been basically, I always say, beat down by weather. So look at the nice fresh side that has just been, that Martin so generously sledgehammered last year. If you're feeling very confused and very stressed that you don't know these rocks, the answer key is right after the reference sheet.